अस्सलाम वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। चलते हैं आज की नेक्स्ट एपिसोड की तरफ, जो कि एग्जैक्टली लास्ट एपिसोड से कनेक्टेड है, क्योंकि हम लास्ट एपिसोड में बात कर रहे थे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस की। तो आज हम बात करेंगे इंटरोगेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, जिसका स्ट्रक्चर है हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस मेन वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट। सो in this structure you can see a difference, which is helping verb subject main verb and object, but the helping verb will be has have and the main verb will be third form of verb. Just for a little reminder and a short reminder, यहाँ पे मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि आपने हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन कौन से और मेन वर्ब कौन सी यूज़ करनी है। सो हैव दे ईटन ब्रेकफास्ट is the simplest example of interrogative form of present perfect tense. Have is the helping verb, they is the subject which is plural, so we have put it have here. Eaten is the third form of verb and breakfast is the object. And when we talk about interrogative plus negative form of present perfect tense, then it just stuck to our mind that not will be added with the subject. Okay, because we are discussing interrogative plus negative form, so helping verb subject plus not plus main verb and the object like same as previous structure. Here is the example. Let's take the same example. Have they not eaten breakfast? Helping verb subject not main verb and breakfast object. So here is the very simple structure and examples of interrogative and negative plus interrogative forms of present perfect tense. I am just starting sentences with a very basic, or you can say zero, so that people can have the first or the minimal concept of tenses. Okay, that's why I am making this very easy for the students. Let's move to the next tense, which is present perfect continuous tense. What? Present perfect continuous tense, and yes, we are on the last tense of present tense. So while we are talking about present perfect continuous or any perfect continuous tense, for example past and future, there is a new thing which is since and for, or time or use of since and for. When there is a sentence either in Urdu or English having time mentioned, then it is obviously from any perfect continuous tense. That will be from past, present and future, or anyone. Okay, so let's discuss simple form of present perfect continuous tense. The formula of present perfect continuous tense is subject, helping verb, been, a fourth form of verb and the object. Because we are discussing continuous tense, either although it is from perfect but continuous tense, that's why fourth form of verb will be using, and been is the third form of be, so we will be putting has have been with has have, like has been and have been. Let's discuss about the use of since. Since will be using with defined times, like 1998 morning, January, Monday, defined time. You will be having clear mentioned figures. Okay, and while you are discussing for will be added with not a defined time, like last 2 hours, last week, last months. You will never know which 2 hours, which months, which weeks, nothing. So for will be adding with the not defined time. And just take an example, she has been living in this house since 1998. Here she is the subject, has is the helping verb, has been is the helping verb. Actually living is the main verb, and since 1998, because there is a figure and clear time, so we have been using since. And an example for 4, Noshaba has been playing for last 2 hours. There's 2 hours, we do not know which 2 hours, from today, from yesterday, from last month, or anything. So we have been using for here. That's all about for today's videos. For today video, inshallah I'll be talking to you in the next video with the next sentence, with the next tense, which will be obviously other than present tense, because we have ended present. No, we did not. We just do not end present perfect continuous tense, because we just discussed simple form of present perfect continuous tense. In the next video we will be also discussing about negative, interrogative, and negative plus interrogative form of present perfect continuous tense. So thank you for listening to me. Keep supporting me. Inshallah I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till that, take care and Allah Hafiz.